We're using this type of round balloon with a tail. Inflate both tail balloons to about 17 centimeters in diameter. Now tie the two balloons together. Now let's see how to link several groups of tail balloons together. Pinch the two small tails together and twist 2 times. Secure it by tying to knots for extra hold. Take a screenshot here so you can follow along later. Inflate both 5-inch round balloons to 13 centimeters in diameter. Tie them together. Use these 5-inch round balloons to link the tail balloons together. Swap the two small balloons to lock them in place. Let's go through it once more. Take a screenshot here to remember which colors of balloons connect where. Make a few more sets of 5-inch round balloons and use the tails to tie them together. Let's watch it again. Be sure to match the 5-inch balloons to the tail balloons by color. Following the same method as before, make another string of tail balloons, ranging the colors as shown in the video. Clip the new string of tail balloons into the middle of the outermost 5-inch balloons. Once the entire circle is clipped, it looks like this. Note that at the very bottom, 2 balloons are clipped, while all other positions have 1 balloon each. Now we'll use one 10 or 11-inch balloon, along with a 5-inch small balloon. Inflate the large balloon to 22 centimeters and the small balloon to 13 centimeters. Tie them together. Insert the small balloon from the pair you just tied into the gap. Fill all the gaps with balloons according to the color arrangement shown in the video. The big heart balloon is now complete.